Hi teachers, so today we are going to be talking about the Bitmoji Classroom templates. When you open up the templates, you'll see some samples. This is a sample that I created. You can see I put my dog there and then myself here. So the important thing with Bitmoji Classroom is you have to already have your own Bitmoji account. Why do you need a Bitmoji Classroom? It really is up to you. A lot of teachers are teaching virtually this year or are doing a hybrid mode, and sometimes it's just something fun to have for the classroom. I'll show you mine that I'm going to be using this school year. So this is my Bitmoji Classroom that I'm going to be using this school year. I teach at an IB school, so then, the next page I have the unit of inquiry right here where it's going to be interactive with students' work display here as well. And then I have my learner profile attributes of the week with the IB kid. We can talk about different learner profile attributes. Then I have my goal setting area where students will set their goal or write down the action that they will take that week. I have my wonder wall right here, and then I have my 6 planners display, yearly display right here. I also have different important links that students can click. It will take them to the platform that they need to go to. What you will be given is these different classroom templates right here. So the items and the templates are not movable, but you can add things in there. So let's try this template right here. So right here, I'm gonna add this avatar of me sitting down. Boop. And I'm gonna go over here and copy a picture of my dog. I'm gonna add my dog into the classroom as well. And right here, I like to add the text box to the projector. So I'll say, hello, good morning, students. Then change the font. And usually on the Blackboard, that is where I will add the important links for students. So I will go and look for some important links, insert image, search the web, and a lot of you use IXL. I also use IXL in the classroom, so I'm going to insert the image, make it smaller, add it here. And then I like to add a little outline so it's just easier to spot. And then at the top here, I'm going to add the text box, important links, change the font, and then I'm going to use a highlighter to highlight important links for students. So once I'm done with my Bitmoji Classroom, I can just copy this whole template. Let's say I have this file right here. I can just paste it, and voila, I have my classroom ready with all the files. Say I want to add a link for the students to go to the Wonder Wall. So let's say I can type here, hello, good morning, students. Don't forget to visit the Wonder Wall. And then I'm going to highlight the word Wonder Wall, click up here, insert link, and then I'm going to search slides in this presentation. So the Wonder Wall is on slide 7. So I'm going to click slide 7. There you go. So now when the student click Wonder Wall, it'll take them to slide 7, which is the Wonder Wall area. And then for this picture right here, I can add a link So I'm going to add a link to IXL. So I'm going to type IXL.com, and right here, click on IXL.com, apply. So now when the student click on this icon, it'll take them to IXL. And that is it for the Bitmoji Classroom. If you do decide to use the templates and create your own classroom, I really would love to see your classroom. Please tag me on Instagram, or send me a message through there as well. That would be awesome. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.